What happens to my business when I die? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So this question comes up frequently with more and more people involved with small or medium-sized businesses that they have a financial interest in. And it really is the intersection of business law and estate planning law. So the general piece of advice is if you own a business, be sure to consult with your business attorney as well as your estate planning attorney when you're developing your estate plan. They go hand in hand when you're a business owner. Fundamentally, it turns on how is your business formulated. If you are a sole proprietor, for instance, you can distribute your business pursuant to your will. You can gift it to somebody as an inheritance. If you are in a partnership, well, it's going to be governed to some degree about by what the partnership agreement says. Partnership agreement may say that if one partner leaves the business, the other partner has the right to buy them out or inherit from them if they die. So you need to check to make sure what your partnership agreement says and make sure that your will is consistent with that agreement. If you are a part of a limited liability corporation, an LLC, well, then the operating agreement for the LLC has to be consistent with your wishes as developed in your will. It's easier if you're a single member LLC. In other words, you're the only person who owns assets in the LLC. That makes it a little easier, but still, your operating agreement must reflect your ability to assign assets in the LLC pursuant to your will. If the LLC is a multi-member LLC, it gets more complicated for just that reason. So basically, you want to think about transfer of ownership, business continuity. Your will may also say you intend to have the business evaluated and valued and sold, and the proceeds become part of your residual estate. That's another approach. You want to make sure that the business's liabilities and debts are addressed, as well as tax implications. So it gets pretty complicated, and that's why I think you need to consult with both a business attorney and an estate planning attorney. Well, we do the estate planning part for regular folks like you and me, even if you do own a business. So again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.